Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Safrat and Saifa's channel. Today's our 60th video, I believe. And we're gonna be discussing the new, actually not so new, GEOSTERNBERGIA right here. From the Jurassic Park 30th anniversary, The Lost World. So we're gonna compare it to a original Jurassic World Pteranodon. Right here, and the Dominion Dsungarepterus. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's check the box first. There you go. GEOSTERNBERGIA. While the Pteranodon may rule the skies of Isla Sorna, the GEOSTERNBERGIA makes a memorable pre-production appearance and displays an impressive wingspan with a longer neck, beak, and a head crest. So there you go. I've never heard of this flying pterosaur before. I thought it was just a like a pterodactyl with a different crests on the head. But apparently it is it is different. It is from the Lost World. See, I didn't even know it's from that movie. I didn't realize it's not a pteranodon. I could have swore it was a pterodactyl, but it's not. Okay, so let's open it up. Yeah, let's do it. Let's unbox it. Oh, yeah. Oh, what? Okay. So I still cannot find the Legacy Collection variant of the GEOSTERNBERGIA. It's just so hard to find it. I think it is a Target exclusive. They still don't have it. Anywhere, any Target I go, I don't see it. So that is variant right there, but it's nowhere to be found, you know? No news, no words or whatsoever. Alright, so let's open it up. Okay. So today is the 3rd of July. Happy 4th tomorrow. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, what? Okay. Oh, wow. It has a soft wings like that gargoyles. Let's take him out. It looks really impressive. Wow, they really sealed this guy. Oh my goodness. Really? Ugh. There you go. Finally. Alright, so. It's a nice color. You can open the mouth. There's some. Okay. Can we? Oh wow, you can do that. So we can move the legs. I've seen some. Oh my goodness, how do you do this? Okay, I don't even know how to make it stand. Oh, there you go. So you can fold the wings. Oh, there you go. So make it stand like the real thing. There you go. See? And it can crawl. See? Like that. It's supposed to be like that. Okay. Yeah. So when it's walking on land, this is what it looks like. There you go. But I didn't get the leg right. I guess that's how it is. See? Then you got the Dsungarepterus from Dominion. Of course, you can't really fold it because it's plastic. It's not foldable. You'll break it if you force it. And the original from Jurassic World, where it all began. There we go. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another video. I got the package yesterday. I didn't open it yet. We're gonna unbox it tomorrow. I believe it's a... I don't even remember anymore. Okay, so there you have it. Our pterosaurs for today. Alright, from Jurassic Park The Lost World, Hammond Collection. Cool. I'd like to say thank you again for the subscribes and likes. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you around. Bye.